Hey folks, we're gonna go for a little drive today. Let me see if I can get you mounted up here. Hopefully this video turns out okay. But I figured test out a new way of doing a truck log here, so you can get to see some of the places that I like to drive to clear my head and do a bunch of stuff. I like to take little drives around here and see what's what. So that's what we're gonna do today. This is for a short bit here, and talk about some things, you know, bullshit a little bit. See what's going on in the world. So yeah, this is a first for me here. I just posted my first truck log here just a couple days ago. You gotta forgive me here. I don't know what the hell day it is. All I know it's Monday to something. We're gonna take some cruising time on the back roads here and see what's going on out in the sticks here today, because I don't get enough of that. I feel like I don't live far enough out that you know, I lost track of what I was gonna say. I got distracted by a squirrel over there in the where we just passed. But yeah, you know, living in Western Pennsylvania, it's so different. Especially if you ain't been around here for long and living here like I have all my life, you know, you either love it here or you hate it here. Now, I'm kind of in between that, because I grew up here. This is my home, you know what I mean? So I love it and hate it. But when I get out for the day and I go and do my rounds, do my country road driving, especially on a day I don't work, I tell you what, you go a mile or two down the road from wherever you're at, I bet you it looks different from where you just work. I can almost guarantee it. Now, depending on what part of Pennsylvania you're in, but yeah, Pennsylvania's terrain, it's so diverse. So diverse. Like right now, we're cruising a pretty flat country road. It's nice. Pretty easy driving. Easy to speed on. I don't really have a lead foot. Trust me on that. I drive like a grandpa. I'm 28 years old. I'm going to be 29 on the 24th of this damn month here. I drive like a grandpa. I'm not in no hurry or nothing like that. But I tell you what, the speed limit sign back there said 35. I'm going 40, and I have gone 55 on this road right here. This hill right here, if you're ever back here, you know where I'm at. You'll want to take it easy. Now, you guys ain't got no depth perception because I'm filming this, but yeah, this road's a little sketchy sometimes. The stop sign down here sneaks up on you. You think you're going 35 and you're able to stop down here, but no, there's a bunch of gravel at the bottom, so you gotta let the brakes squeal, slow on down way before this stop sign here. We're good that way, we're good that way. Let's get on going. Now, right here to the right of me, I'm showing you right now, it's an old gunpowder mill. It used to be a grist mill as well, back in the Civil War days. But, shit, now I can't, there you go, got you positioned just right now. That place used to be abandoned. Now, when it was abandoned, I went in there and smashing turds of tires. Look at that. Horse shit. More political promises just chilling out on the road. But, yeah, I went in there. There's like 3 pianos in there. I tell you what, 3 pianos. And there's 2 old steel desks. I found some pictures in there when it was abandoned. And, I went and took them to the Historical Society. And then here, years later, I was in high school when I did that. Years later here, just within the last 5 or something like that, someone had bought it. And they decided they were going to turn it... Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. I fucking dropped you. They decided that they were going to turn it into a house. I thought, hey, that's pretty cool. You know what would be cooler is if they'd done turned that place into a bed and breakfast out here in the middle of nowhere. I think that would have been sweet. I would have liked to have seen that. I think that would have been pretty cool. But they turned it into just a home. By oh, what the hell's this? It looked like he was driving on the wrong side there. You know, we got, like down south, we got country laws. Basically, country road law is you take the middle of the road until you see somebody else in front of you, and then you scoot back over to your own side. Around here, nobody will bother you doing that. Now, it'd be a different story if, you know, you went out to the city and started doing that, driving in the middle of the road. Everybody would be hooping and hollering at you, I guarantee it. But, yeah, so this is one of my most favorite drives right here. I love to drive this road. In fact, today, we're going to take another road that I ain't been down yet, and we're going to see where it goes. The road is Meadow Road. So we're going to scoot on down here and see where it goes. So, if we can't find the end of this road, we'll flip back around and come on back down here and go back the way I was going and kind of circle on around. Which looks like we got a stop sign up here. I don't know where the hell this goes. Like I said, this is the first time I've been down this road. I don't know where it goes. I don't know what road we're coming up to. What is it here? What's the sign say? Spring Road. And somebody drew boobies on the street sign. I don't think that's legal, and I don't know if I can show that on YouTube. We're gonna take it right here and let's scoot on down here and see what's up. Oh, looks like they got blueberries there. Huh. Wait, I think I've been back here before. You ever get that kind of deja vu when you're driving and you're like, holy shit, I think I've been here before. But you haven't. It's weird, right? Am I the only one that does that? Let me know in the comments, because I'm curious. I'd really like to know if I'm the only one that does that. Maybe I'm just crazy, I don't know. Maybe I'm losing my mind. Having some sort of mental slip. I don't know, it's been a rough few weeks, so I wouldn't run it past myself. But yeah, boys, it's a beautiful day out here today. It's supposed to be a beautiful week here, temperature-wise. That's for damn sure. I can't wait to have some good window-down driving weather. Oh shit, weight limit 14 tons. My fat ass will have to get out of the truck. What road's this? Was I here before? This is Millburn Road. I know exactly where we're at, I think. Spring Road to Millburn Road. And we'll go this way and we'll go back this way, make kind of a circle there. See where the hell we go. I got plenty of fuel. I'm not worried about running out of any of that. Looks like we got an Amish farm up here. Monday is wash day for our Amish around here. That looks like it could be Mennonite, actually. Yeah, it could be Mennonite. We got them here too. Oh wait, I think I know where I'm at for sure. This ought to come back down right by that stop sign, which I told you was sketchy as shit. And it'll be right by the mill of Millburn. So we'll see if I'm right about that or not. Oh man, I needed that drink. Good old Dr. Pepper. What's this road here? This is Mill Run. Alright. Should have turned there. I want to see where this one goes first out. You gotta love our PennDOT here and their shitty roads. Because I tell you what, you can go 10 miles at highway speed. And, hey, guess what? I was right. It came back out by the old mill. We done made a whole circle. Y'all remember that bridge? That's fascinating. I didn't know that was still Millburn. Now I'm gonna have to hold you guys because I don't want y'all to fall over again. Or I could just not drive like a maniac too. So maybe we'll try the latter first instead of me holding on to you guys and all that. Just not drive crazy. If you get on these country roads, you have a habit of just, you know, flipping around. All right, move your Fiat out of the way there. Thank you. I ain't never seen a Fiat drive these roads before. I wonder how he does in the winter around here, because it's awful. Y'all know what Fiat stands for? I'll give you a minute. Pause the video, put it down in the comments what you think I think that Fiat means. Alright? Alright, you ready? So Fiat. Fatas Italian. Oh, I dropped y'all. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know why that hill does that. Fatas Italian. Y'all probably thought I was gonna say fix it again, Tony. Yeah, everybody knows that one. Fatas Italian, Fiat. F-A, Fatas. I-T, initials for Italian. Or Italia. I can say it, my dad's Italian. He's my stepdad, so I'm not Italian. I don't know how I can say it. But, oh, there's Mill Run. That's where it would have came out. If I knew who these people were that own these fields, I'd just like flip around into the field and turn around. But I don't want to piss no one off out here. I do have a truck gun, but I don't want to get in trouble, you know what I mean? I'm not asking for trouble, I'm not looking for no trouble. People get pretty particular about their property around here. You gotta realize that, yeah, Appalachia is mostly in the south, but the Appalachians do run through Pennsylvania here. In my area, we're on what's known as the Appalachian Plateau. So it's like rolling hills and plateaus here. So we're gonna go back down Meadow Road here. And we're gonna go back down the other way. Instead of going right at the stop sign. We're gonna go left and see where that goes today. I might have an idea where it comes out, but we'll have to see when we get there, because I ain't too sure. Now we're back to Spring Road and the boobies on the stop sign, or the weight limit sign, I mean. I can't see through them damn trees, so I'm just gonna go. Joke's on them, they care about their vehicle, I don't care about mine. That's what's so great about owning what's called a shit box. Now, I will say I do love this truck. I love how it drives. I love all of that. Now, I don't want nothing to happen to my truck. It's just a joke, guys. Oh, is this a baby stroller up here? Let's slow down. Oh, we are on Butler Pike now. Yeah, I figured it would bring us here. Now we're gonna shoot straight on across. I'll see where the other side goes. Like I said, this video is just gonna be basically a bullshit session. See what I mean about like the terrain change? Like we went all that way. We went through some flat lands, flat farmland. Now we're getting down into the hills. Just a wee bit. And then right as soon as we get through that dip, like we're basically back to woodland now. My God, is it a shame to see all these posted signs around here? no hunting, no trespassing, no this, no that. There used to be a time when I was a kid, deer hunting, that there were so many deer, nobody cared. Nobody cared that you were hunting on their land. Now, of course, you know, it's good courtesy to ask permission before you hunt someone's land, no matter if it's posted or not. But you used to be able to just hunt wherever. Not so much anymore. Oh, where's the hell's this down here? I see the interstate down here. We're down by Interstate 80 in Mercer County. Kind of in between Grove City and, fuck all, I'm not going to talk out of my ass. I don't know where I'm at exactly. It looks like swampy area down here in an old hillbilly cabin. And a switchback. And a sign with bullet holes in it. The old swampland. I remember as a kid, I'd look out when I was with my grandpa and the big truck going past here. I'd always look down here and be like, huh, that's a pretty big swamp. Now I'm down in here, I'm like, holy crap, there's a shit ton of beavers back here or something. What the hell is that? An uprooted tree? We're on Krill Road now. We're gonna go right and see what happens here. There we got someone in a Jeep behind us. That's the worst thing ever. I just want to cruise around and these people will be like in a hurry to get somewhere. Finley Township. We're getting closer to Grove City now. Silverbrook Lane. I know where we're at. Huh. Oh, sorry guys. Hold on, you guys are bounced in the other seat. I'll be with you in a second. Sorry. Where'd y'all bounce to? Oh, I see y'all. Oh. Y'all okay? Sorry about that. Again, I had a vehicle when I was pulling out. They wanted to speed up, so I had to get the hell out of there. That's how people drive here. It's crazy. It's survival, man. For real. Oh, no hard feelings though. Like, I understand. I want to go slow. Everybody else wants to go fast. You know, someone's always in a hurry, you know. Now we're at some Mormon place right now, and there's actually people here, so that's concerning. I hope they don't come out and try to convert me. Or, no, sorry, not Mormons, Jehovah's Witnesses. And I don't mean no offense to no one out there who's Jehovah's Witnesses that mind their own business. Because I'm going to tell you something. I don't like to be harassed about my spirituality. I don't like that at all. Like, people coming to my door, oh, there's a sheriff. I know the sheriff of this county personally. But like I was saying, I don't like people coming to my door and talking to me about all this stuff. It's like, I already have a belief. You don't need to try to pass yours on to me. I got my own. If I'm curious in your belief, you better damn well believe it. I'm gonna research all that. Holy shit, we're going 60 and a 55. We better slow it the fuck down. We got a green Honda behind us that wants to race or something. They're on my ass. Well, I ain't gonna go no faster because they want to go faster. We're in a passing area. They can pass me if they want. I ain't worried about shit. I feel a little vibration coming through my steering column. Bet you my front tires need aired up just a couple PSI. Now we're coming up on a little town called Mercer in Mercer County. Like I said, I've grown up in this area my whole life, and I say area because yeah, I'm not gonna tell y'all where I'm from and where I live right now. Look at this dum-dum. They just had to go, they couldn't wait. But yeah, I'm not gonna be a dum-dum, speaking of dum-dums, and tell y'all where I live and have random people showing up to my house or searching shit on Google Maps to see where I live, because we're gonna be done with the video here by the time I get home. So that's a rule of mine, you know, that's security. Yeah, I don't want nobody coming to my house unless they are invited. And I'm sure all of you are nice people. Well, maybe not all of you, but some of you are nice people, I'm sure. I wouldn't mind to have some of y'all at my place. Just give me a few weeks notice so I can clean up my shithole. Right now, since I've been moving things around, doing some decluttering and whatnot, my house looks terrible. It looks worse than it has ever looked. So, yeah, it's a work in progress right now. Just trying to get rid of some of my old crap so I can move in some new crap and hopefully not be as cluttered as I was. clutter. It makes me anxious. And I don't, like I said, I just don't like it. The mailman and the guy playing with his dog outside, ain't that nice? At least the mail's on time in town. We used to get our mail at 9:30 in the morning. Guess what time we get it now? That's right, whenever it gets there. Yeah, whenever it gets there, we get it. Alright, folks, we're approaching 30 minutes. I don't know if I can upload this or not. I might have to upload it in parts. So, thanks for taking a ride with me, keeping me company. We'll be seeing you. Before I go, remember, keep it freaking old country, folks.